So I'm going to show you how to add a page to your Shopify account and then link it to a navigation. So I've already created the navigation that I wanted on my website by going into my admin section and then going to navigations. The main navigations are above here, and we're using the Radiant template, which already has drop-down menus already built into it. If you want to add a drop-down, you simply create another menu with the same name as the item you wanted to go underneath. So you can see here we have About, which falls underneath the About tab up here, and then when it's on our website, it will automatically create the drop-down. So what we want to do is we're going to go and create this workshops and events page. If you see down in the bottom left-hand corner down here, when I go over top of it, it shows that it's linked to the home page. Same with the giving back, but we want to create two individual pages for that. So what we're going to do is we're first going to go into our admin section and we're going to go to blogs and pages. Then we're going to go to create new page. When we get to this page, we are going to give it a name. So we're going to create the page giving back. Down below is where we can insert our content. Now you can copy and paste this content, or you can type it directly in here. So we're just going to go sample content for the time being. We have different formatting options here. We have paragraph, heading, heading 2, heading 3. These are all able to be predefined in your CSS style sheets so that when your customers go in and they set it to heading 1, it'll create the color and the look that you want it to have. You can bold it, you can italicize it, you can give it a background, you can give it a text color. You can undo it, you can remove the formatting from a list. This button is extremely helpful because when you copy and paste something from another document, say you copy and paste it from the web, usually it brings over all the divs and all the formatting with it, and sometimes you want to clear that out and let your formatting take over. The bullet list, the number list, align left, align center, align right, create a link. This happens when you highlight the text. You can go in and create a link. And then finally you have insert. And insert lets you do image, video, table, or script. We'll get into this more in another video. View HTML for the advanced users. You can click in here and you can see how the content is created with the HTML. Simply click the create button and your page has been created. The last two, page visibility, is it published, and page template. If you have specific templates designed for different styles throughout your website, you can select them down here. We only have one for now, so we're going to leave it on page, and it's good to go. Now the last thing we need to do is we need to actually link that page that we created to a navigation. So we can see that the page is in here, giving back. We want to go into navigations, and we want to update the item. So we're going to go to main menu list, because we can see giving back's in there. We're going to edit list. It'll bring it up, and we're going to go to the item that we want to change. So we want to drop this down, and we're going to go to page, because that's the type of document it's going to be, and we're going to select the giving back page, and we're going to hit save. And what that's going to do is it'll update our navigation, so now we can see it goes to pages/giving back, and away we go. So if we go back over to our home page and we refresh, we can click on giving back, and we can have our same content.